This morning, a nightmare scene on board a dream ship. A man injured after the acrylic glass broke off the frightening Bolt water slide on Royal Caribbean's Icon of the Seas, sending torrents of water pouring on the deck below. The vessel was at sea traveling between the U.S. Virgin Islands and the Bahamas when the incident occurred. The frightening Bolt is the tallest drop slide at sea, with a drop floor that propels the guest along the 282-foot slide through a 360-degree loop.
No more slide!
Passengers heard screaming, the hole in the bottom of the slide visible once the water